But yeah, I don't imagine any events.
No. I need handleable things.
Oh, what sucks is I actually caught a solid blue morph in Naples. It was the only one I'd ever seen. I knew it would get me some good money, but I thought it was neat. It was just bright blue. And I had like 5 of them.